vlog is completely about the kurta sets. We have ordered amazing and beautiful kurta set from Myntra just for you guys. The rainy season is here. We need to up our game. We can't wear like whites or florals. Instead, we need some vibrant colors and beautiful prints just like this. I'm here with another series of looking like $1 million. I hope you're doing fine. By the way, I just did a new haircut. And let me know in the comment section below how do you like my haircut. So let's get started with it. Okay, this is one of my favorites. Even my mother has the same kurta set because it is very comfortable. The material is so good that you can actually live in it. This is nice yellow printed cord set, and this is from the brand Sangria. You can use this cord set at your workplace or for brunches. Fit on the collar, on the neck is just perfect, and also the detail at the back. I love the minimalistic detail here, and also the pants. This is half elasticated. That is in the front, it has a plain strip, so even if you wear it over your shirt or something, it can definitely go well with it. So fits perfectly on the waist. For me, this is 9 on 10 because the comfort is superb. So you can just wear it all day long, even if you're going for shopping spree or you are traveling anywhere. So it can go as an airport travel comfort chic as well. Next up is this pink floral kurti from the brand Sangria, and I am wearing size small. I just love how the color pops up on my face. Can you see it now also? I mean, I hope you know about the color theory as well. Right now I'm wearing orange, so you can see how it's complementing my face tone, and now you can see how it's complementing my face tone right now. I just love how it brightens my face tone, and this color is so cool. And also look at the detailing at the bottom here, the frill. It just adds a peppy look to it, and also the lace detailing at the neck. It just gives you such a petite and feminine side of yours, and you can just flaunt it with nice pearl earrings or the hoops that I am wearing in the video right now. So all in all, this fabric and the material and the fit of it, I would give 8 on 10 for sure, and definitely it's a steal. Next up is one of my favorite kurti from the brand again Sangria, but this is in the size medium. Actually I ordered for small, but I received medium size from Myntra. So just make sure every time whenever you order for your kurti, just double check the size or what size you are getting the kurti in. But I just love the print, I just love the gota work, also the color combination that they've used. It's just perfect after summer season is just getting past and rainy season is here. So you need kind of poppy colors which brightens up your face and lifts up your mood. So this is just perfect kurti to lift up your mood. Overall the kurti is so cool, and this is pure cotton, and the fit is amazing, the feel of the cloth is amazing. So this is like, I'd say 10 on 10 for me. Definitely a steal. You guys should wear it, and I wore it with a denim. So you can also style this with a torn denim, or you can style it with any chudidar, and you can take a mismatched dupatta or a jacket like a denim jacket, so which will definitely complement the look. Now we have floral printed empire kurta with trouser and dupatta from the brand Indo Era, and I am wearing in the size small. It is pure cotton, and just look at the print and the turquoise color. I just love the turquoise color and the pink peach floral combination over it. They also have detailing of gota lace over it, as you can see, and cute detailing of this latken to it, and also a gota lace to the sleeves. So I just love wearing, like, flaunting the feminine side of mine or in this kurta and the trouser and dupatta. So dupatta is basically chiffon, and I love the feel of the cloth. The chiffon is of really good quality, and it is also again detailed with lace. So this total kurta, the trouser also has gota lace At the bottom of it, it is half elasticated, so it fits perfectly well at your waist. It is for just 999 rupees. A kurta, a trouser and dupatta, a whole set for 999 on Myntra. It is definitely a buy. Next up is a beautiful piece from Bahama Couture. It's a striped dress which has floral print at the bottom of the dress and also onto the sleeves. So like this, and the sleeves are little bell-shaped sleeves, which gives you a nice flattering look. If you're heavy on the arms, this is a beautiful fit, recommended for you guys. And I am wearing in the size small, which also has a beautiful trouser, again striped. You can wear this trouser on any of your tops because it has elasticated on both the sides, and you can pair it with grey shirt or white spaghetti, and you're good to go, even like a loungewear. So all in all, this kurta set for me is 8 on 10 because the material is also nice. It's pure cotton. So according to the material, according to the styling of the dress and the print, I think it's just perfect. This is a blue striped Indo-era kurti with stripes, and actually it has a tag over here at the sleeves. The fitting was not little that great, but also it was loose for me. I am wearing size medium, so just go on the size chart mentioned for this dress and check according to the inches mentioned in the size chart, and then buy the dress accordingly. But I love how chic and pretty this dress is. It's just minimal but just perfect. Also, it is paired with sharara, so you can just style it like heavy on the jewelry or accessorize it a bit more in your hand, and you are good to go for any Navratri function or any mehendi function of your friends. So all in all, it is just a cute little pretty little dress, flattery on the bottom because it has sharara to it. This is pink embroidered kurta with sharara and dupatta in Lehriya pattern from the brand Indo-era. I am wearing size small, but this is again very loose for me. So make sure that you select the size according to the inches mentioned in the size chart. This kurta has a flattering fit from the waist. So even if you're heavier on the bottom side, this is a perfect fit for you. I love the Lehriya pattern actually. It just enhances the feminine look of yours. It has sharara with cute detailing at the bottom with the lace, and this is fit. It is half elasticated, that is elastic from the back and plain in the front. All in all, and again the dupatta is of chiffon material, again with a little detailing of lace on it. It gives you a flattering fit for sure, and the color is really pretty. It just pops up on my face. So I guess I've noticed the pink is my color. It looks really nice on me. I guess I'm sure even you have some colors in your wardrobe. Like you can definitely just peep in your wardrobe and check which are the dominating colors that you like and actually would look nice on your face. There's also color chart therapy or theme mentioned by a lot of fashion designers, so you should definitely give a check. Or if you want me to do a video on color theme and which color suits your skin tone, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I will make a video for you. And now is the time for my favorite kurta set from the lot. This is from the brand Anaina. I am wearing size small, beige printed kurti with trouser, and just look at this. How perfect is the color combination and the print over it. It just looks amazing. It just looks so royal yet chic and yet casual. It's in pure cotton and it just fits superb on your body, and it just gives you a flattering fit. I just love it. I mean, I can just really live in this kurta set forever. It's like how comfortable it is. Same goes with the pants. These are half elasticated but just fits perfectly on your waist. These are in the trouser pattern. So you can actually style this up with your white sneakers. I mean, wow. And you can just accessorize it with beautiful oxidized earrings or a nice chic small earrings, and you're good to go.
Next up is a beautiful abstract printed kurta set, and look how perfectly well it takes the shape of my body and it fits me well. It is a backless dress provided with beautifully knot style kurta. As it is elasticated at the back, it just takes the shape of my body beautifully and giving me a flattering fit below my waist. The kurta set is just amazing. I have paired this kurta set with a juti and beautiful oxidized silver earrings, which just goes perfectly well with the kurta set. It has V-neck, which gives you a flattering fit, just enhance your collarbones and your long neck, and you're good to go for a good college day till your office wear. I just love this dress. It's a 10 on 10 for me. As it is elasticated at the back, it does not lose and doesn't make me feel uncomfortable. It just beautifully takes the shape of my body, and I have an amazing kurta set in my wardrobe.
These were the beautiful kurta set looks put together just for you guys. I hope you guys have liked the collection, and if you have, I have mentioned all the links in the description box below. Please click on them and go check it out, and also share it with your friends and family if you have liked the collection, because they might also want to look chic, confident and beautiful as you do. So definitely like, share and subscribe my channel, and for more such content, keep watching Swarda Thikle Vlogs. And I will see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care, stay safe and keep looking beautiful as ever.